Hello, my name is Bill Connelly. I want to thank you for making it to this business overview about an amazing opportunity that I want to share with you. It's called Financial Education Services. It's been around since 2004. It's headquartered in Farmington Hills, Michigan. The same exact owner since the beginning of this company. Here is the main reason that I got involved. My three amazing children that I love to death, my two daughters and my son. I was sitting with bad credit about 4.5 years ago, and I knew I had to take action. I reviewed a couple companies, and luckily for me, I came across a gentleman online that was sharing this opportunity. I reviewed the products, I reviewed the comp plan, and I took action. And within 11 months, I was able to walk away from corporate America. So I want to share this with you. What better way to make a living than by helping other people to better their lives, to get their finances back, their buying power back, their credit back, and just build an opportunity that you can be proud about. Why will this work for you? Well, you can be your own boss. Are you sick and tired of working for somebody 40 hours, 20 hours extra out of your house? You can do this full-time, part-time. You can have your job if you want, nothing against a job, but if you want to do this on the part-time, you can do that as well. You can make your own hours. You can help other people reach their financial and personal goals. You can build a team all the way across the United States. Anywhere in the United States, you can build a team, and that's what we're doing. So we have online tools and training to help you. You can be part of a supportive community, and we have excellent agent support if you decide to take advantage of this. Here's how it works. All right, we're going to dive right into the compensation plan. This is the best part. This is what I love. This blew me away, and I love sharing this with people who are money minded. Okay, so if you want to go out and create a nice income for yourself, check this out. This agent came on board. He went out, and we have an all-in-one protection plan membership that we share with people. It's $188 to get started. So someone will pay $188 to get on our protection plan membership, get their credit repaired, and start using all the products that we have. Each time this agent shares it with somebody and they sign up, he's going to make $100 fast start bonus. All right, so it's $99 application fee, $89 for the first month service for a customer. The agent makes $100 per sale when someone signs up. So this agent went out, signed up 3 people. He's got $300 coming. He's got $12 residual coming the months after, as long as these customers stay active. And as you start building a team, you're going to leverage the residual money off of that team as well. So second level would be $3, third level $3, fourth level $3, $275, $250, and it works its way down. So the agent has the ability to share and sell our protection plan memberships with people. And when they sign up, we'll make $100 fast start, $12 residual, and then the team building residual as well. So how powerful is that? If you want to go out and you want to make $500 this week, share and sign up 5 people. We get paid weekly, so you'll get paid next Thursday. Here is the team building. So you want to bring on other agents, you want to leverage business partners, that's great. Same agent goes out, signs up his first business partner. Here she is. We help her get 2 customers underneath her. The agent made $100 right there. Now, to rank up to field trainer, the first rank in the company, you're going to need 2 personals underneath you. So he goes out, he gets a second person, helps him get 2 customers, boom, another 100. At that point, he's elevated to what's called a field trainer, first rank in the company, most powerful rank in the company, because that means you're off running and getting your business going. So now, as a field trainer, when he brings on his next person, he will make $160 instead of $100. That's a $60 raise per new agent coming on board. But the beautiful part is the agents that he brings in, they're trying to rank up as well. So if he's that field trainer and one of his agents he brought in brings somebody in, they would make $100 because they're still at the agent level, but $60 would roll up to him because he's at the 160 level. That's how it works. So if you go all the way up to vice president where I'm at, and I've been building this business for a while now, working with my team, supporting my team. But the beautiful part about my vice president level is when I bring on an agent, I make $500. So I go out, bring on somebody, help them get their 2 customers, $500. I want to get that person to field trainer as quickly as possible. So working with that new agent, we get their first person, 2 customers under them. They get 100. The beautiful part about it is 400 is going to roll up to me. We want to get him to field trainer, get his second person. Boom, we do that. He gets 2 customers under that person. He makes another 100. I make another 400. So by bringing on this new agent at my level, I made 500. By him getting 2 agents, I made 400, 400. That's $1,300. $1,300. Think about that, right? Woo! Is that more than you make in a week working 40 hours at your job? I'm not sure, but I'm just saying. So say I have a sales director on my team, right? And they go out and they sign up an agent, help them get 2 customers. That sales director would get $380, but 120 would roll up to me. So how it works is whatever levels below you in the organization, the leftover money would roll up to your rank. So if an agent brought somebody in who was under a sales director, the agent would make 100. The sales director would make 280, and I would make 120. So I know it's a little bit to think about, but this chart right here is very, very powerful. So we have the sharing the protection plan membership, signing people up, making those $100 commissions, $12 residual, $3 team level and down. And then we have the bringing on business partner slide as well. Definitely get back with the agent that shared this with you if you're a little confused, but this is powerful and it even gets better. We have something called an infinity bonus, and that starts at the sales director level. That was at 380 level. That means the sales director is doing $10,000 in business volume. And how business volume works is each time you bring on an agent, you will get $400 into your organization, no matter who brought them in your downline. Each time you bring on a customer in your downline, no matter who brought it in, it's 200 business volume. So that's how that works. The sales director would get in the beginning of each pay period, the month, $50 bonus. Regional sales director, that means their business is doing 25,000 in business volume. They would get 0.75% or 180. Executive sales director, that means their business is doing 50,000 in volume or 1% or $500 the first go around of each month, right? Added into their commissions. Vice president level where I'm at, that means my business does $100,000 in business volume every single month. And I would get 1.5% or $1,500. So the beginning of the month, I know I'm getting $1,500 as a bonus, in addition to sharing the products, making those hundreds, team building, getting that downline money, getting the agent, bringing on agents, getting the pass up agent money, and the infinity bonus. Do you think it stops there? No. We have additional rewards. We have something called the Medallion Club. And you get these prizes once you start building your team. Once you hit 50, which is the bronze level, you would get these prizes from the company. Silver level, that means you have 100 people in your downline, customers or agents, doesn't matter, these products. Gold is 150, these products. Platinum, 200, these products. Crystal, 250, you would get that jacket. Diamond, 350, I got the rolling briefcase. And Pinnacle, 450, that beautiful watch. So that means you have 450 people in your downline, customers, agents, any combination, and you would be at the Pinnacle level. You think it ends there? No. We have something called the R&R Club, rest and relaxation. And once you have 500 people in your organization, 500 people, and that's a bunch of agents working together, not too many, but a bunch, you can get to this level, 500 people, customers, agents, no matter what it is. You're going to get a $600 monthly expense allowance first of the month. So you're getting that on the first pay period of the month. You're getting the infinity bonus first pay period of the month. We're getting paid weekly. You're getting the ability to share the product, make those fast starts and residuals, and bring on other business partners and make that money as well. Once you hit level 2 and 3, 2 is a $10,000 one-time cash bonus. 3 is where we're going to give you $1,500 per month towards car allowance. Get a couple cars. Buy your parents a car. Do whatever you got to do, but $1,500 towards a car allowance. Level 4, $25,000 one-time cash bonus. Boom. That's nice, right? That is really, really nice. So now you got these bonuses, you got the allowance, you got your car being paid for. It just gets even better. Check out this house. Every time I see this slide, I want to move into this house. That pool looks just like cool, right? Being daring, I want to jump off that balcony, but it looks a little far back. But anyway, level 5, you're going to get a one-time $50,000 cash bonus and the ability to upgrade your automobile. I think some people went with the Rolls Royce or the Bentley, but $50,000 one time hitting your account. Oh my heavens to Betsy. Level 6, here's where it gets cool. $5,000 monthly house payment towards a house of your choice. So if you have a house, you have a mortgage, say it's $2,500. We'll just make up a number, right? Each month, they're going to give you $5,000 towards that house payment. So if your mortgage is $2,500, the other $2,500 is going to go right into principal. They're going to put the whole $5,000 right into your payment, paying that house down very, very quickly. When after that's paid off, go get a second house, buy your parents a house, get them a car, get them a house, do whatever you got to do. But how cool is this? Now your house is being paid for, cars are being paid for, One-time cash bonuses, everything else I went over. Here's level 7 through 10. These are investment, bonuses that the company puts into an account for you, up to 25K right there. Monthly bonuses from 100 to 25. To $150,000. Just amazing. When I try to say these numbers, I'm like, holy smokes, look at these people on the beach, arms behind their head, loving life, just checking out, smelling the salt air. I live close to the beach here in Atlantic City, on the beach a lot, do my business from the beach, talk on the phone. All I have to do is sign up, talk on the phone. I do some marketing, I talk on the phone. Hey, how you doing? Are you interested in this business? Have you checked out a video? Do you have any questions? Let's get you started. Let's get you plugged in. That's what I do all day, beside these amazing videos. So if you want to get started, this is a business for you. You're not in it by yourself. We're here to help you. You're going to get a personalized website with all the information you could share, a business website to sign up agents, a products website to share with people to sign them up to the protection plan membership. We have an online back office to track all of your sales and commissions and everything. We have live agent and customer support you can call into. All right, this is a real company. We have a support system. Even customers can call in to support and ask questions and get help. Like I said, we get paid weekly, not bi-weekly. You know why they pay you bi-weekly? Because they want to tax the heck out of you. They want to make that higher amount so they can tax you more. But we get paid weekly. So whatever you do from Sunday to Saturday, the next Thursday, you're going to get paid. We have life insurance for our agents, up to $100,000 in free term life insurance. All right. No medical exam. A lot of people love this. Think about the pandemic. A lot of people didn't have life insurance. So not only are you building your business, making commissions, helping other people to better their lives, you now have life insurance. Professional marketing materials that you can put out on social media or wherever you want to promote this opportunity, offline, whatever. I build offline. I go into realtors. I say, what do you do with the clients you can't get approved because they have poor credit? How about we work together? Send them to me. I'll get their score up. I'll get them back to you. You can now sell the house. We have all the commissions, rewards, bonuses I went over. We have regional and national events. We just had a regional event in Atlanta a few weeks ago. We have one coming up in Miami. And then the national event is our yearly event we're going to have in Orlando in August. Think about all the tax advantages you can have by being your own boss, by, running the show, by, going out to eat, clothes, traveling, your business expense with your startup fee, monthly fee. Hopefully you don't have a monthly fee because I got a way to eliminate that. So just get with a good tax accountant. I have one. He's on my team. He's amazing. Shout out to you, Fendi. But this opportunity can help people change their lives, better their lives, get their power back. And that's why I'm really excited about this. I treat this like I'm a real servant to people who need these services. Plus, I also treat this like I have a company that allows me to share and sell their product and make a better life for myself. So it's $299 to get started, just $299 to get started one time. So you're going to pay $299 to get your business up and running, have your franchise. This includes all the products, everything I went over. And then it's $89 per month. Why is it $89 per month? Because you get all the services that the customer gets, everything included. All right. But we have a way to eliminate that, like I said. But one other thing I want to go over, if you're watching this video this far, here's the beautiful part. We are not fixing credit. Our company does the work. And how that works is when a customer signs up, they go into their back office and they allow our company to pull their credit, and our lawyers review all their information and make up the dispute letters for them. So we're just sharing this product and our company is doing all the credit repair work. How cool is that? So $299, get started today, $89 per month, but I'm going to show you how you can eliminate that $89. We have something called the power of 5. And once you have 5 people underneath you, 5 people, your $89 is waived. That means any combination of customers or agents. So you go out, you bring on a couple customers, you bring on some agents. As long as you have 5 or more at the end of every single month, you will not be charged again. We did that our first month, never paid again. Just did the buy-in, boom, went to work, got the power of 5 plus, built a huge team, walked away from corporate America in less than 11 months, never looked back, never going to look back. And I just want to help some people to better their lives. So check this out. Here's 3 of our amazing top leaders in the company: Ashton Henry, Nicole Smith-Jackson, Alfred Nixon. We have a huge Spanish teams being built right now. This is a very diversified company, all nationalities. You have the ability to take charge of your life. You have the ability to own your life. All you have to do is get started and plug in. Here's Ashton Henry with his Rolls Royce. He's at the top of the company, right? He's getting those bonuses, making that cha-ching, but he deserves it because he is the pioneer for our team. Here is Alfred Nixon. He grew up in Miami. He lived in one of these one-bedroom apartments with a bunch of people in that. He said he used to have to get up early just to get hot water, but here he is on the right with his beautiful family, had this house made in LA. Kudos to Alfred Nixon. Appreciate and love the guy. Here's his car, chilling. Look at that. Beautiful. Not even 30 yet, right? Not even 30 years old. Here's Mr. Valesky. He was doing retail, nothing against retail, but he took action, right? He wanted a better life for himself. He wanted to be in control. He plugged into the right people. He learned the products, got involved with the business plan, senior vice president in the company. Kudos to you. Here he is in the car. Check him out on the right. Now, when I show this car, I laugh because I'm 6'5" and I can't get in this car. Even if you take the top down, I'll probably be like up to here, right? But nah, here, this is cool stories. And this is not to impress you. This is just to show you people changing their lives. We have many, I keep going. Many people changing their lives with this opportunity. And here's just a few of them. So basically what you're going to need to do is decide whether this is for you. And if it is, hey, I'm a go. Give me the link. Let's get signed up. Plug me into the Facebook groups. Give me the information. Let's get trained. Let's go to work. Let's share this with people and let's change some lives. Good. You are an A. Get back with the person that shared this video with you. Or B, I have some questions. You showed me a lot about the business opportunity. I might have some questions about the products. Well, that's cool. We didn't go over the products that much here. I mean, I touched on them, but get back with the person that shared this with you. I'm sure you'll be blown away with the 12 amazing products that we have all included. Or C, hey man, I just want to get on the services. I need to fix my credit. Right now, the business opportunity is not for me. I don't want all that money. I don't want the car payment. I don't want the house payment. I don't want to do it. I just want to get on the services. Well, that's fine. We love customers. Just become a customer. 188, get started today. Get back with the person that shared this video with you. You do have the option to upgrade down the road if you are a C and become an agent in about 2.5 to 3 months. So here's some successful people. Here's some other, people making it happen. We have many, many people. Once you hit $100,000 of income in the company, you get a ring. Success leaves clues. And here's some clues right here. Success loves speed. And what do I mean by that? Once you get on board, just don't sit back. Don't just be a secret agent. Just don't, be just happy you're joined and then, do nothing. If you want to change your life, you have to make it happen. And if you want to make it happen, get back with the person that shared this video with you. God bless you. And we look forward to helping you build this business. Take care.